Want to game without lag, but don't want to spend a fortune on a GPU? Here's the top 5 best budget graphics cards, under $500. Links to all models are pinned in the comments. Kicking off our list is the GTX 1660, one of the most reliable budget cards with solid performance for its price. Why is it a good choice? 6 GB GDDR5 memory, better than entry-level models for full HD gaming. Low power consumption, runs on a 450-watt power supply unit with ease. Perfect for esports and AAA games. CS2, Valorant, and even Cyberpunk 2077 at medium setting. If you're on a budget but need stable FPS, the GTX 1660 is a great entry-level option. If you want the best performance for the price, then the RX 6600 is the way to go. What makes it special? 8 GB GDDR6. More VRAM means better future-proofing. Fidelity FX Super Resolution boosts FPS without sacrificing quality. Handles AAA games smoothly. Cyberpunk 2077, RDR2, and Hogwarts Legacy play great on high settings. For its price, the RX 6600 is an absolute beast in the budget segment. If you want ray tracing and DLSS on a budget, the RTX 3050 is a solid choice. Why is it worth considering? DLSS 2.0 boosts FPS with AI-powered upscaling. Ray tracing, realistic lighting even in budget gaming. 6 GB GDDR6 memory, handles modern games in full HD. If you're looking for a balance between performance and cutting-edge technology, the RTX 3050 is a great option. Near flagship performance at a mid-budget price. The RX 6700 XT is an absolute powerhouse. Why is it an excellent choice? 12 GB GDDR6, plenty of VRAM for future games. Outperforms RTX 3060 Ti but costs less. Perfect for 1440p gaming. Want maximum FPS in 2K without breaking the bank? The RX 6700 XT is your best bet. And here's our top pick, the RTX 4060, the latest budget-friendly GPU that delivers high performance and all the newest Nvidia features. Why is this the best choice in 2024? DLSS 3.0 and frame generation, insane FPS boosts. 8 GB GDDR6, ideal for full HD and 1440p gaming. Optimized for next-gen titles. GTA 6? No problem. If you want the best FPS for the price, the RTX 4060 is the ultimate budget GPU in 2024. That's the top 5 budget graphics cards under $500. Which one do you like the most? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.